Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. And this video is all about the crochet granny skirts. Granny skirts videos are uploaded in my channels for daily basis videos, and granny skirts are used in cardigans, and different totally crochet works are used in granny skirts like curtains, bed sheets, mats, table mats, table covers, and chairs covers. So different things, handbags, and different totally things for use in granny skirts, and especially for blankets, and different varieties crochet available in these channels. I hope so. I really appreciate for newly attractive videos and good looking designs for basic videos, and I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful and stunning videos. Keep attractive, keep stunning, and attractions designs for more uploaded. I have shared with newest designs in this videos. For good looking videos are colors combinations are basements for two, are one color combinations are not a graceful designs of granny skirts, and full designs are not available in these channels, and different colors like 2-3 colors combinations for combined designs, and colors combinations are added for totally granny skirts are used for especially for first of all the crochet, and second things for using mostly using curtains, bed sheets. For decorations related things are available in these channels. I really appreciate for newest videos, newest designs, and different things of granny skirts. Granny skirts are used for totally videos. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, in these stunning and these fabulous and good looking designs I have shared with you. I want to share a very beautiful and stunning videos, and it's trending.